two different candles are lit. They burn at different rates, and one is 3 centimeters longer than the other. The longer one was lit at 5:30 p.m. and the shorter one at 7 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., they were both the same length. The longer one burnt out at 11:30 p.m. and the shorter one burnt out at 11 p.m. How long was each candle originally? So we make some assumptions that the small candle is x centimeters and the large candle is x plus 3 centimeters. So that is x centimeter and the large candle is x plus 3 centimeters. That's the height of the candles. So what they're saying is they burn at different rates. Okay, that's the first thing. The longer one was lit at 5:30 p.m. and the shorter one, and the longer one burned till 11:30 p.m. So the large candle burns for, so if I can write, large candle burns for 11:30 minus 5:30, how many hours it would burn for, and that would be 6 hours. We are trying to work out the rate, how long the rate of the candle burning down. So as it burns down, it gets shorter, doesn't get longer, it gets shorter. This is the difference from any other question that you would have on this time and speed and this related topic. So large candle burns for 6 hours, and the small candle burns for, so that would burn for, it's lit at 7 p.m. So 7 to 11, so it would be 11 minus 7, and that is 4 hours. So the rate, how quickly the candles burn down, the rate of burning down, if I may say, okay, so that would be for large candle in 6 hours. It is the x plus 3, so it's reduced to 0 in 6 hours. So in 6 hours it burns for the large candle, so we say in 6 hours it burns x plus 3 centimeters. So 1 hour it would burn x plus 3 divided by 6 centimeter per hour. That's the rate. Okay, so 1 hour is this, and the small candle in 4 hours, similarly in 4 hours it would burn x centimeters. So in 1 hour it would be x out of 4 centimeters. So that's the rate. The rate of the large candle is x plus 3 out of 6 centimeters per hour, and the rate of burning down of the small candle is x out of 4 centimeters per hour. The next thing we notice, the part where they say that at 9:30 p.m. they were both the same length. So what that means is the remaining distance or the remaining length. So let's say this is where it was 9:30 p.m. So here, so that means this height or this length are similar, not the length that has burned down. So that is different. So this is the length that we have, x plus 3 and x plus 4. This is the length that is burning down. Now we have to find out that up to 9:30 p.m. how much has burnt down, and the next thing is how much is remaining. So that's the important part. When we do the equating, we have to equate the part that remains in the small candle and the part that remains in the large candle. So up to 9:30 p.m. height burnt or length burnt would be, so up to 9:30 p.m. the large candle, for the large candle it is how many hours? So it starts burning at 5:30 p.m. and up to 9:30 p.m. it would be 9:30 to 5:30, and that would be 4 hours. And so the how much it will burn will be so the length would be x plus 3 out of 6 times 4, x plus 3 out of 6 multiplied by 4, and that's centimeters. And the small candle would have been burning for from 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So 9:37, that would be 2.5 hours, and that is 5 out of 2 hours. So the length would be, it's x out of 4 multiplied by 5 out of 2 centimeters. So this is how much both the candles have burnt in that time up to 9:30 p.m. So now we need to work out how much is left. So this much the candles have burnt down, so we can work out how much is left. So the length remaining would be so if I write length remaining, so for large candle it would be x plus 3, it was x plus 3, so x plus 3 minus x plus 3 out of 6 times 4, and that equals x plus 3 minus that's 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2, so we get 2x plus 6 out of 3, that is 3x plus 9 minus 2x minus 6 divided by 3, and that would give you x plus 3 out of 3 centimeters. And the small candle, so if I say small candle, the small candle would be x minus x out of 4 times 5 out of 2, and that would give you x minus 5x out of 8, and that will give you 3x out of 8 centimeters. So it is this length. If I can erase this, remove this bit. So this is the length that is remaining, and this is what we are going to equate. So we are going to equate this and this, because they are the equal lengths. This is what is remaining. So we are going to say x plus 3 out of 3 equating the remaining lengths. So we get x plus 3 out of 3 equals 3x out of 8. So which implies 8x plus 24 equals 9x, or that implies minus x equals minus 24, and that implies x is 24 equals 24 centimeter. So the small candle length will be 24 centimeter, and the large candle would be 24 plus 3, so that would be 27 centimeter, and that's the answer.